here I am going out to the public, I'm Huda Beauty. Sometimes I feel like Huda Ugly.
Yes! It gives you this beautiful, sculpted, ultra glamorous look. Guys, this feels so good. Oh my God, I'm not mad at it at all. I think it's so pretty.
When I became a businesswoman, I struggled so bad. People did not take me seriously. They would oftentimes be in a meeting, and instead of making eye contact with me, they would make eye contact with my husband and completely ignore me. And that was really a tough thing. And I had some really horrible comments too, as a businesswoman. You know, treatment I know a man would never get. And I was so naive to think that you would not face those type of things as a woman. We have a beauty brand now and we speak so much about beauty, but I definitely struggled with my own concept of beauty and who I felt I was. I didn't see people who looked like me around, and I definitely got the feeling like I was not considered beautiful. I think it was definitely something in the community because I didn't look like anybody and I definitely wasn't, you know, considered attractive. When you're somebody who's known for a look, you sometimes become almost like a prisoner to your appearance. I find as an influencer and a personality on the web, you're almost treated like you are not human, and that's really, really tough. I am a part of that problem, but I am in this never-ending loop, and the one thing I can do is to try to talk about it. I have so many people messaging me all the time, like, how is your life so perfect? And I tell them, I was melting down before I took this photo. I would like the space to be more vulnerable. The lack of inclusivity, the lack of representation was such a big driver for me. And now I think it's something that expands even outside of just like who I am, but really making people feel like they have the ability to be beautiful and powerful is really, really important to me. And I think back to sometimes that you know, the little Middle Eastern brown girl in Tennessee. And there's still a lot of them out there in the world. And you know, maybe them seeing something, you know, like myself, they can feel a little bit represented and maybe even really powerful, you know?